Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, let's quickly take a look at the data and how equities are going to perform, what you should be expecting in the markets, and what all are the trading opportunities. The ones we shared yesterday did massively well. Rest are certain things, very important. Number one, the equity markets globally are doing fantastic. Even Dow Jones yesterday closed around 28,300, which is hardly 1,200 points below its all-time highs. That's about 4 to 5%. Rest Nifty again, it's trading above around 11,500. That's hardly 8 to 9% below its all-time highs. So days like this are very important. Either markets could be preparing for a new rally altogether, which could take it above its all-time highs, and we could be running towards 13,500 and so. Rest, just look at the data, follow the numbers, and whatever charts are telling, markets will itself tell you when things are going to change. So now let's look at the data. Foreign institutional investors bought about 200 crores, wherein domestic institutions sold about 335 crores. So overall in cash segment from the institutional point, nothing major happened. FIIs purchased index futures approximately 800 crores, plus index options were bought too, stock futures were purchased too. So it predicts, it indicates towards some kind of short-term rally for sure. So we should be expecting positive from the markets. In yesterday's session, volume were little lesser than day before yesterday. However, markets broke out above its highs and made a new high altogether, exactly where it was predicted. That was 11,500. Rather, yesterday's high was 11,499. Banknifty, on the other hand, broke out of its resistance zone of 22,400. It opened above it, closed above it, went around 22,900, and there was no signs of weakness on the intraday chart. If you look at the intraday chart, at no point of time market shown any kind of weakness or selling pressure. So the uptrend is intact. On top of it, the volatility fell over 3.5%, so which is very, very good. On Nifty daily chart, it did close out with breakout, and majority of the call writing is around 11,500, which actually means in case we get a sustainable move above 11,500, the rally could even trigger faster, and we could be headed towards 11,900 to 12,000 range in coming series. MACD is still below signal line. However, RSI fell a little bit even when markets went up. So if RSI does well today, we could see any price figure of 11,600 or anything around 11,600. Nifty 20 DMA is 11,240, 50 is 11,860, 200 DMA is 11,820, 100 11,080. Golden cross formation has been seen on 50 and 200 DMA, which is great. Unless and until this is violated, you should always focus on buy on dips. Banknifty closed above the breakout of the rectangular consolidation range. Both RSI and MACD are positive, so it looks like banking stocks are the one going to take a lead now. 20 DMA and 50 DMA are very close. Now again, in previous sessions what had happened is 20 DMA and 50 DMA came very closer, and yesterday positive closing created a difference. So it looks like no death cross formation is going to happen, and the major important level would be 23,200. It may test its 200 DMA. In case it breaks above 23,200, it may test its 200 DMA placed around 25,000 levels. So this is how you should be planning your trades. Buy Nifty above 11,500, avoid shorts unless driven by any negative news. Bank Nifty can be purchased above 22,800 with stop loss of 22,400, no short trades. Auto Index has formed a gravestone doji on daily charts. Find buying opportunities in case Auto Index manages to sustain above 79.90. Energy, metal and pharma, they looks like consolidating and profit booking is happening. So I would personally suggest avoid energy, metal and pharma. Rest, there is no negativity in these indices, so you should be rather looking at opportunity during the day itself. It cannot be predicted before the market opening. So rest, I have some trades, some positions that you can be looking at. Bharat Electronics Limited, which we had purchased yesterday as well, you can still continue the long position. Stop loss will be 109. HDFC Bank, again, we purchased it yesterday as well. It did massively well, about 3.5% positive. Today again you can buy, and now your stop loss would be 1089. ICICI Bank can be purchased with stop loss of 370. IIFL Securities, whomsoever have purchased, continue your long positions. NTPC can be bought with stop loss of 102. Reliance Industries, if it manages to go above 2100 levels, keep a close watch. And if in case it goes above 2112, you can buy with stop loss of 2080. So this is what you need to look at. So that would be all in today's session. Wish you a very happy trading day ahead. Thank you so much for watching so far. Do subscribe and follow me on Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and LinkedIn as well. Ask Abhishek Raj is my ID, all over the places, same thing. So that would be all. Thank you so much for watching. Abhishek Raj signing off. Stay healthy, stay wealthy.